Hi everyone, it's Rory here from Careers Portal. At this time I just want to introduce you to one of the most fundamental tools on our website, and one that you should be using extensively when you're researching for your college applications, and that's our CourseFinder. Okay, so from the home page here you can see we're on the Courses tab, so the quickest way into this really is to click Search Now. That takes us to the CourseFinder. Now you can see there the counter is telling us that we have 4,113 courses for you to choose from. So obviously we're going to need to find a way to refine that. So let's see how we can do that. Okay, so what we can do up at the top here, we can put in a course name or course code or even a keyword. So if I was to put in business, you can see that the counter has gone down to 386 courses. Other ways to refine this, we can choose what type of course we'd like to do, PLC or CEO, whatever, what course level, what career sectors we would like to do. So say we go into the business one and we click on the advertising, the marketing and public relations and go up to the counter, we can see that there's 90 courses there. We can go search by career interests, by region, by county, by colleges, so all the further education colleges are there, as well as the ITs and universities. We can go by the CEO entry requirements, so for example search the courses where you don't need maths or you don't need a modern language. We can then search the courses as well that have, so maybe we've got business in here, so maybe you want to keep on your language, so maybe we'll just put in French. And we'll see now that so to keep on your French in an advertising, marketing and public relations course, you can see that there are 9 of these options available now. Now also up in the top right hand corner you can see another drop down menu here. So you can sort these by course title, that'll be alphabetical. You can see there arts and business, whatever. But we can also go by college name. We can go by the course level. So that'll put the level 8s at the top there, and then the level 7s and level 6, whatever. We can also do it by CEO points. So the highest CEO points will be at the top, down to the lowest CEO points at the bottom. So that's our course finder here on Careers Portal. So I'm sure you will be using it quite a lot over the next few weeks and months. So I hope you found this of use.